Let's go down YouTube. I got the My Cloud Western Digital 2 terabyte right here. Here's the box, of course. All the features. It's Mac compatible, so be sure that your drive is Mac compatible, because you know what they say. Got the open box right here. Oopsies. There we go. Upside down. So everything's backwards. Here's the drive. Not wasting any time getting right to it, like Marlon likes. Here's the drive. It is very beautiful. USB 3.0, I believe. So, and it's powered by an external thing. Here's the guide. Ethernet cord right here, high quality. So you get 2 terabytes of cloud storage, I believe. And the plug. And there you have it. Thanks.